How to make Chrome extension for Manifest v3. Chapter 10. How to use content scripts. You can use content scripts to run scripts on the specified page. Let's create an extension that adds a button to an existing page. Prepare the necessary files. Go to norisoft.web.app. Click zip of the How to Make Chrome extension for Manifest v3. Right-click on Chapter 10_mv3.zip and select Download. Extract Chapter 10_mv3.zip. Make sure there are two files. Manifest.json is a manifest file for Chrome extensions. Matches.js is a JavaScript that runs when URLs match. Click on the extension icon and select Manage Extensions. Enable developer mode. Click Load Unpacked and specify the folder. Go to wikipedia.org. Make sure that the Change Background to Red button is displayed. Click the Change Background to Red button to change the background to red. I will explain Manifest.json. Specify the target URL and JavaScript in the content_scripts field. I will explain Matches.js. Create a button. Insert the button at the top of the page. Click the button to set the background color to red. That's all for this video.